A complex sentence is built to express the main idea accompanied by one or more dependent ideas. Its structure is not accidental. Rather, it reflects a deliberate hierarchy of thought in which one clause carries the principal claim and another clause supplies condition, cause, contrast, time, or purpose. The result is a sentence that can communicate relationships between ideas with precision and academic clarity. The foundational rule is the presence of one independent clause and at least one dependent clause. An independent clause can stand alone as a complete sentence, while a dependent clause cannot. A subordinating conjunction such as because, although, when, if, since, or while often introduces the dependent clause. For example, although the evidence was limited, the researchers reached a cautious conclusion. Here, the first clause cannot stand alone, but it is logically anchored to the second. A second rule concerns punctuation. When the dependent clause appears first, a comma usually separates it from the independent clause. When the independent clause comes first, a comma is often unnecessary unless the sentence is long or the structure requires emphasis. Compare, because the market changed rapidly, the company revised its strategy. The company revised its strategy because the market changed rapidly. Both are grammatical, but the first highlights the reason before the action. A third rule is control of meaning. Complex sentences should clarify, not obscure, the relationship between ideas. The writer must choose a subordination pattern that reflects the intended logic. For causal meaning, because or since is appropriate. For contrast, although or whereas may be used. For temporal sequence, when or after is effective. For condition, if is suitable. For purpose, so that or in order that may be used. The conjunction should match the relationship exactly. A fourth rule is economy. Excessive embedding can produce confusion. A sentence may contain more than one dependent clause, but each additional layer should serve a clear rhetorical purpose. The writer should avoid piling modifiers or clauses without a coherent hierarchy. A well-formed complex sentence is elegant because it is controlled, not merely long. Examples illustrate the principle. Because the data were incomplete, the hypothesis remained tentative. Although the proposal was ambitious, it was also financially realistic. The team continued the experiment until the results stabilized.